In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your base profile platform framework, target dashboard fields, and import your contact list correctly. We'll go through this in a simple, clear way so you can get everything organized without confusion. The goal here is to make sure your audience data is uploaded cleanly and that each piece of information lands in the right place inside your platform. To begin, go to the Audience section and then select Manage Audience. This is where you'll set up the core dashboard fields for your base profile framework. Take a moment here to review the layout and make sure the fields you need are visible and ready for incoming data. This step matters because a well-prepared audience structure helps prevent mismatched information later during the import process. Once your audience setup is ready, select Import Contacts from your target list setup view. This will open the import interface where you can start bringing your contact data into the system. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that your source list is clean and well structured. A tidy contact file makes the rest of the process smoother and reduces the chances of formatting issues. Next, choose the file upload format option that matches your file. The platform may offer different format or structure settings, so make sure the one you select reflects the way your data is arranged. This helps the system understand how to read your file properly. If your file was prepared in a common spreadsheet export format, double-check that the selected upload configuration aligns with that structure. After that, drag your structured CSV contact file directly into the browser upload box. You can usually drop it straight into the upload area and wait for the platform to process it. Make sure the file is the correct version and that it contains the records you actually want to import. If the file has been edited recently, it's worth confirming that the latest saved version is the one being uploaded. Once the file is loaded, the platform will ask you to map your details. This is where you verify how each column from your file connects to the profile fields in your audience dashboard. Review the assignments carefully. Check formatting, field alignment, and profile sync paths to ensure the data is being matched correctly. For example, each column should point to the intended destination field, and nothing important should be left unmapped unless that is intentional. When everything looks correct, click Finalize Import. That completes the process and sends your contact records into the platform using the field structure you prepared earlier. If you take your time with setup, format selection, and field mapping, your import will be much more accurate and easier to manage afterward.